Workers at the Narwan brick factory are helping to rebuild Iraq in more ways than just construction material. The brick factory complex sits east of Baghdad and 6 months ago was heavily influenced by extremists. Thanks to the efforts of the 1st Battalion 10th Field Artillery Regiment, the extremists have been pushed out. Extortion and corruption has been replaced with employment and production. Civil Military Affairs Officer for the 3rd Heavy Brigade Combat Team, Major Carlisle, says he's seen an increase in construction.
Home construction throughout Iraq is absolutely through the roof. There's an area across the river from our area of operation that they're building approximately 140 homes per week. The military has been involved in that a little bit, but the government of Iraq has really taken the lead on that one now. They're funding the program entirely, and the ability to provide them the basic building structure they need of the bricks has helped them a lot.
Since January, the number of working factories in the complex has increased from 41 to 100. Commander of the 1st Battalion 10th Field Artillery Regiment, Lieutenant Colonel Mark Sullivan, says there is potential for an additional 67 factories.
What that means in terms of employment opportunities, we've already moved from 3,000 workers out here in the brick factory complex to nearly 15,000. And the potential to double that number is there if we're able to stand up the factories and we get the support from the government that's needed.
And what's needed is heavy fuel oil, or HFO. In today's meeting is to discuss how the HFO supply is running out. The owners tell Lieutenant Colonel Sullivan they are faced with buying HFO from the black market. The fuel deliveries from oil refineries negotiated by the government of Iraq have stopped coming. Lieutenant Colonel Sullivan says he's confident the problem will be worked out.
And this is an Iraqi problem out here that requires an Iraqi solution. And these owners are figuring it out.
He also said coalition forces will continue to facilitate meetings between the government of Iraq, the refineries, and the brick factory owners to resolve the fuel problem.